My name's Jonathan Howe. I'm the head of IT at Cross Manufacturing, and as a company we supply sealing rings and brush seals to customers in both the aerospace and automotive industries for sealing in turbochargers, aircraft engines and ground running gas turbines. During our Dynamics 365 implementation, it became apparent that the out-of-the-box reporting solutions couldn't handle a number of reporting requirements, both to support the manufacturing environment with operational reports, and also in terms of customer requirements and output paperwork, which needs to accompany our parts and quote the manufacturing traceability information, where we need to combine information in Dynamics 365 with information from our previous and legacy ERP systems. During our implementation, it became obvious that we needed Lasernet and its capabilities about accessing real-time information from Dynamics 365. Our manufacturing environment needs operational reports with up-to-date data to help people make decisions about what needs to be manufactured in what sequence and when.
So Cross Manufacturing have been a valued customer of Formpipe since 2018. At the early onset of our engagement, Cross undertook quite a robust due diligence process, actually travelled out to our head office in Denmark, where they spent time with our consultants, reviewing their requirements, ensuring that the solution was fit for purpose.
A key requirement from our customers is to provide a certificate of conformity with the majority of the goods that we manufacture and ship. Lasernet helps us not only produce that paperwork, but bring together information from Dynamics 365 and from an archive of legacy manufacturing information held in Azure SQL. And that's a key capability that Lasernet provides to us. Going forward, Lasernet is absolutely fundamental to our use of Dynamics 365. Its capabilities are fundamental and provide business critical functionality. So we are maintaining and will be maintaining it along with the rest of our Dynamics 365 ecosystem.